Guys, welcome to another video, and today we're just going to be doing an exploring video. So yeah, I hope you guys remember, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, all that great stuff. And we're just going to be taking a little walk along the Ravenscraig here. There's a college over there, and behind us is a bridge getting built. I think up there. That's the sports centre, and now we're just going to be doing a quick little walk around here. Nothing too much. Really a lot of land, so I mean that's great. And I'm just going to be on a little walk here, just going along. And so yeah. I'm just going to go on. I don't really do outdoor videos that often, or exploring nature videos that often. When I can, I'm going to start to do that, but right now, this is just going to be a quick little, kind of like part one bit. But if you do want more nature exploring videos, then you can leave a like. I'll do a part 2 to this eventually if you can get this video to 30 likes. If you can get this video to 30 likes, then I'll do a part 2 exploring nature. But yeah, I'm just gonna stop talking now, and we're just gonna walk and explore. Just think of this as a nice relaxation time. We'll stop talking now. Right, so we're just gonna keep walking here. We're just gonna keep walking. So yeah, I'll do this again if you can get me to like 30 likes. But yeah, I'm going to stop talking now, so you can just enjoy the scenery. Right, today we're doing kind of a shorter video. Yeah, we're doing a shorter video today. But if you do want to see a part 2, then get this video up to 30 likes and comment part 2 if you want more nature exploring. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please hit the notification bell, and yeah. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and by now I think I'm going to start uploading more often now. Right, bye.